Good morning, my friends. I'm Clover, and this is Genuinely Approachable Sudoku, and today we are solving Tetrapod quads by Philip Newman. This is a quadruple Sudoku. That means we have normal Sudoku rules, so we're placing the digits 1 through 9, once each in each row, each column, and each outline 3x3 region. And in addition to that, there are some white circles in the grid, and wherever you see a white circle with digits in it, those digits have to appear at least once in the surrounding 4 cells, or rather, they have to appear at least as many times as they appear in the quad clue. So for instance, this one has 2 1s in it, so there must be 2 1s in the surrounding cells as well as a 2 and a 3. There need to be 2 5s here. The only way we can fit 2 in is to put them there. This quad can only contain 2 4 and 6. This one needs 2 6s, so we can't have 6s over here. So this is going to be a 2 4 pair, making this a 2 6 pair. And because there's a 6 there, that's the 2, 6, and 4. This one needs 2 3s and a 6. This one needs 2 7s, and the 2 here is also going to resolve this 2 and 3. This one needs 2 8s, and this one is going to need 2 4s and also an 8. The 8 can't go here, here, or here because of those 2 8s. Therefore, our 8 has to go there, and our 4s have to go in those 2 positions. Now, let's do some classic Sudoku. So we have 2 4s here and here, so the only place for a 4 in region 1 is right here. We need a 2 in region 2, somewhere here. We have 2 3s here, so that places a 3 there, and we have a 9 there, so that's going to give us a 9 here. So these 3 digits are going to be 2, 5, and 6. Making these ones 1, 4, 7, and 8. 7 can't go in those cells. This is going to be a 1, and that's not a 4. Now we have 3s there and there. That tells us that the only position for a 3 in region 3 is going to be right here, which also places a 3 right here. It tells us there's a 3 in one of those 2 cells, and there's a 3 in one of those 2 cells. Therefore, the 3s in rows 5 and 6 are accounted for. We just need a 3 in row 4, which must go right there. Now we need a 2 somewhere in row 7. Can't go in those cells. Can't go right there because of the 2 in the column. So it's going to go there. We need a 4 in column 7, which can only go there. So these 3 digits have to be 1, 7, and 8 to finish off column 7. This one is a naked 7, and then that's going to be a naked 1 and an 8. These will be 7 and 9 to finish off row 3. And these 3 cells have to contain 2, 4, and 6. That one's not a 2. Those 2 can't be 4, so that's our 4, 2, and 6 because of the 6 in column 6 right there. This 4 is going to eliminate 4 from those cells, and in fact we have these 2 4s looking into region 8. That becomes a 4. So these are going to be from 1, 5, 8, and 9. That's not 5 or 8, and that's also not an 8. These digits are from 5, 6, and 9, and because there's already a 5 and a 6 here, that's a naked 9, making this a 1, and resolving a bit more of that region. And that makes these 2 5 and 6, which we can't orient just yet. These 3 cells have to contain 5, 6, and 8. The 8 can only go right there, so we have a 5, 6 pair. These guys are going to be 4 and 7 to finish off their column, and then we need to place a 1 and a 2 somewhere in these 2 cells. This can only be a 5. It's got to be a 5 or 9 according to the row, and there's a 9 in the column already. So there's a 5, there's a 9, there's a 5. These are going to be a 4 and an 8 to finish off their row. This can't be a 2, and here we need a 5, a 6, and a 9, and in row 6 we already have a 6 and a 9, so that's my 5. These are going to be from 1, 2, and 3. That's not a 2. These are from 1, 3, and 5. That's not a 5. So there's our 5. 7 and 1. That's going to become a 7 to finish off its column. And that becomes an 8 to finish off its column. That shares a region with the 1. My last 2 digits in this row are 5 and 9, like this. That resolves these. This 5 resolves this 5, 6 pair. Those are going to be 2 and 7, and 7 and 6, and that is how you solve Philip Newman's lovely tetrapod quads. Hope you guys liked that one. The link to solve it yourself is in the description of this video, and I will see you again in 3 days.